Factors Influencing Attraction and Affection, abstract of 20 books. In today's society, attraction and fostering affection towards others are prominent phenomena influenced by various factors. This article delves into several research studies, examining the impact of factors such as eye contact, genetics, age, physical attractiveness, auditory and olfactory senses, genetic correlations, and colors on people's attraction and affection. Number 1. Prolonged eye contact, building stronger bonds. Eye contact is a fundamental aspect of human communication, often serving as a nonverbal indicator of interest, attention, and emotional connection. Research conducted by Cilmi, Laird, et al. In 1989 sheds light on the significance of prolonged eye contact in fostering attachment and increasing affection between individuals. Prolonged eye contact refers to a sustained gaze between two individuals that exceeds the typical duration observed in casual interactions. This extended duration of eye contact has been found to elicit psychological responses that contribute to the formation of stronger emotional bonds. When individuals engage in prolonged eye contact, several physiological and psychological mechanisms are triggered. Firstly, sustained eye contact activates the release of oxytocin, often referred to as their love hormone or bonding hormone, in the brain. Oxytocin is associated with social bonding, trust, and emotional intimacy, and its release fosters feelings of connection and attachment between individuals. Moreover, prolonged eye contact enhances mutual attentiveness and empathy, as it allows individuals to convey and perceive subtle emotional cues and expressions. Through sustained gaze, individuals establish a deeper level of rapport and understanding, which further strengthens the interpersonal bond. Furthermore, prolonged eye contact can intensify feelings of attraction and affection. Studies have shown that when individuals maintain eye contact for an extended period, they experience heightened arousal and emotional resonance, leading to an increased sense of intimacy and romantic interest. Additionally, prolonged eye contact fosters a sense of validation and validation. When individuals feel seen and acknowledged through sustained gaze, they experience a sense of validation and affirmation of their presence and importance, which reinforces their emotional connection. Overall, the research suggests that prolonged eye contact plays a crucial role in building stronger bonds and deepening emotional connections between individuals. By eliciting physiological responses, enhancing mutual attentiveness, and intensifying feelings of attraction and validation, prolonged eye contact serves as a powerful nonverbal cue in fostering attachment and affection in interpersonal relationships. Number 2. Attraction to differences, the intriguing dynamics of genetic compatibility. The concept that opposites attract has long fascinated researchers in the realm of human attraction. One intriguing aspect of this phenomenon lies in genetic compatibility, particularly concerning the human leukocyte antigen (HLA) complexes, which serve as genetic blueprints for the immune system. Research by Kromer, Hummel, Croy, et al. In 2016 delves into the role of HLA complexes in influencing attraction, particularly among women. The human leukocyte antigen (HLA) system is a group of genes that encode proteins on the surface of cells, crucial for the immune system's recognition of foreign substances. These HLA proteins play a significant role in determining immune responses and susceptibility to diseases. Interestingly, individuals tend to be more attracted to potential mates whose HLA complexes differ from their own. The rationale behind this attraction to differences in HLA complexes lies in the evolutionary advantage of genetic diversity. In the context of mate selection, individuals with dissimilar HLA profiles are more likely to produce offspring with a broader range of immune responses, enhancing their offspring's overall resistance to diseases. Kromer and colleagues' research suggests that women, in particular, exhibit a preference for partners with HLA profiles that differ from their own. This preference is believed to be rooted in an innate mechanism aimed at maximizing genetic diversity in offspring, thereby increasing their survival prospects. Furthermore, studies have shown that individuals can subconsciously detect differences in HLA profiles through olfactory cues, such as body odor. This olfactory assessment plays a crucial role in mate selection, as individuals are naturally drawn to the scent of potential partners with complementary immune system genes. However, it is essential to note that while differences in HLA complexes may contribute to initial attraction, other factors, such as personality, shared values, and mutual interests, also play significant roles in long-term relationship compatibility. Thus, While genetic compatibility may influence initial attraction, the dynamics of romantic relationships are multifaceted and extend beyond genetic factors. In conclusion, the research on attraction to differences in HLA complexes provides valuable insights into the complexities of mate selection and human attraction. By highlighting the role of genetic compatibility in shaping initial attraction, particularly among women, this research adds another layer to our understanding of the intricate interplay between biology, evolution, and human behavior in the realm of relationships and attraction. Number 3, the influence of parental age on mate preferences. The dynamics of mate preference and attraction are not only influenced by individual characteristics but can also be shaped by early familial experiences. Research conducted by Perrett et al. In 2002 explores how the age of an individual's parents during their upbringing can influence their preferences for romantic partners later in life. The study suggests that children raised by older parents tend to develop a preference for partners who are older when they reach adulthood themselves. This phenomenon underscores the significance of familial and environmental factors in shaping individuals' perceptions of attractiveness and desirability in romantic partners. One plausible explanation for this preference is the influence of parental age on the socio-cultural environment within the family. Children raised by older parents may be exposed to different norms and values regarding age-related relationships, leading them to internalize a preference for partners who are older. Moreover, the age of parents at the time of their children's upbringing may also reflect broader socio-economic factors and stability within the family unit. Older parents may be perceived as more mature, financially secure, and emotionally stable, traits that are often associated with desirability in a romantic partner. Additionally, the preference for older partners among individuals raised by older parents may also be influenced by the quality of parent-child relationships and attachment dynamics during childhood. Positive experiences with older parental figures may shape individuals' perceptions of age-related dynamics in relationships and contribute to their preference for older partners. It is essential to recognize that while parental age during upbringing may influence mate preferences, individual variations and other factors, such as personal experiences, cultural norms, and societal influences, also play significant roles in shaping attraction and relationship dynamics. In conclusion, the research on the influence of parental age on mate preferences highlights the complex interplay between familial experiences and individual mate selection criteria. By elucidating how early familial environments can shape preferences for romantic partners later in life, this research contributes to our understanding of the multifaceted nature of attraction and relationship formation. Number 4, the significance of facial symmetry in attractiveness perception. The human face serves as a primary source of social interaction and communication, and its perceived attractiveness plays a crucial role in interpersonal relationships. Research conducted by Grammer and Thornhill in 1994 sheds light on the importance of facial symmetry in influencing perceptions of attractiveness. Facial symmetry refers to the degree to which the left and right halves of the face mirror each other in terms of proportions and features. Studies have consistently shown that individuals with more symmetrical faces are perceived as more attractive by observers. One explanation for the preference for symmetrical faces lies in evolutionary psychology. Symmetry is considered an indicator of genetic health and developmental stability. During embryonic development, genetic and environmental factors can influence the symmetry of facial features. Thus, individuals with symmetrical faces are perceived as having experienced fewer genetic mutations or environmental stressors during development, making them more desirable mates from an evolutionary perspective. Moreover, symmetry in facial features is associated with perceptions of beauty and aesthetic harmony. The brain is naturally drawn to symmetrical patterns and finds them visually pleasing. As a result, individuals with symmetrical faces are often rated more positively in terms of attractiveness and are considered more physically appealing. Furthermore, research suggests that facial symmetry influences not only perceptions of physical attractiveness but also judgments of personality traits. Individuals with symmetrical faces are often attributed with positive characteristics such as intelligence, kindness, and trustworthiness, further enhancing their overall desirability as potential romantic partners. It is essential to note that while facial symmetry is a significant factor in attractiveness perception, it is not the sole determinant. Other factors, such as facial proportions, skin condition, and cultural influences, also contribute to perceptions of attractiveness. In conclusion, the research on facial symmetry highlights its role as a key determinant of attractiveness perception. By serving as an indicator of genetic health and developmental stability, symmetrical faces are inherently appealing to individuals and are associated with positive personality attributions. Understanding the significance of facial symmetry provides valuable insights into the complex interplay between biology, psychology, and social perceptions in mate selection and interpersonal attraction. Number 5. The dual role of sound and smell in attraction. Attraction is a multifaceted phenomenon influenced not only by visual cues but also by auditory and olfactory stimuli. Research by Groyecker et al. In 2017 explores the dual role of sound and smell in shaping perceptions of attractiveness and fostering interpersonal connections. Sound. Sound plays a significant role in attraction, as it can convey information about an individual's personality, emotions, and physical characteristics. The human voice, in particular, serves as a powerful cue in mate selection. Research suggests that individuals are attracted to voices with qualities such as pitch, tone, and speech patterns that are indicative of traits like intelligence, confidence, and warmth. Moreover, the content of conversation and verbal exchanges can also influence attraction. Shared interests, humor, and conversational chemistry can enhance feelings of connection and compatibility between individuals, thereby fostering attraction and relationship development. Smell. Olfactory cues, or scents, also play a crucial role in attraction and mate selection. Humans possess a sophisticated sense of smell that can detect subtle chemical signals known as pheromones, which convey information about an individual's genetic compatibility, reproductive status, and overall health. Studies have shown that individuals are drawn to the natural body odor of potential partners who possess immune system genes that complement their own, thereby maximizing genetic diversity and offspring viability. Additionally, certain scents, such as those associated with cleanliness, fertility, and arousal, can evoke positive emotional responses and increase feelings of attraction and desire. Conclusion. In conclusion, the research on the role of sound and smell in attraction underscores the importance of sensory experiences beyond visual stimuli in shaping interpersonal connections. By conveying information about personality, genetic compatibility, and emotional states, sound and smell contribute to the complex tapestry of attraction and facilitate the formation of meaningful relationships. Understanding the dual role of sound and smell in attraction provides valuable insights into the intricacies of human mate selection and interpersonal dynamics. Number 6. Genetic influence on height preference in mate selection. Mate selection involves various factors, including physical attributes, personality traits, and shared values. Research by Tenessa et al. In 2016 sheds light on the genetic influence on height preferences in mate selection, revealing an intriguing pattern in human attraction. Genetic correlations. The study suggests that individuals are naturally drawn to partners who share similar genetic traits, including height. Genetic correlations between individuals influence attraction preferences, with height being one of the genetically influenced traits that play a significant role in mate selection. Height similarity. Individuals tend to be attracted to partners who are of similar height to themselves, a phenomenon often observed in romantic relationships. This preference for height similarity is rooted in genetic factors that influence both individual height and mate preferences. Evolutionary perspective. From an evolutionary perspective, height similarity in partners may confer advantages in terms of genetic compatibility and reproductive success. Height is often associated with factors such as physical strength, health, and socioeconomic status, which can influence mate selection and reproductive outcomes. Social and cultural influences. Height preferences in mate selection are also influenced by social and cultural norms. Societal expectations regarding gender roles and perceptions of attractiveness may shape individuals' preferences for taller or shorter partners. Psychological dynamics. Additionally, psychological factors, such as perceptions of power dynamics and social status, can influence height preferences in mate selection. Some individuals may prefer partners who are taller or shorter based on subconscious associations with dominance or nurturing qualities. Conclusion. In conclusion, the research on height preferences in mate selection highlights the complex interplay between genetic predispositions, societal norms, and psychological dynamics in shaping attraction preferences. Understanding the genetic influence on height preferences provides valuable insights into the underlying mechanisms of mate selection and the factors that contribute to the formation of romantic relationships. Number 7. The allure of the color red, enhancing female attractiveness to men. Color psychology plays a fascinating role in human attraction, with certain colors eliciting specific emotional and physiological responses. Research published on Science Daily on October 28, 2008, suggests that the color red holds a unique allure, particularly in enhancing female attractiveness to men. Psychological impact. The color red has long been associated with passion, vitality, and arousal in various cultures. Psychologically, exposure to the color red can evoke feelings of excitement, energy, and desire, making it a potent stimulant in the realm of attraction. Evolutionary significance. From an evolutionary perspective, the association between the color red and attractiveness may be linked to biological cues of fertility and reproductive fitness. In nature, red signals vitality and health, traits that are inherently desirable in potential mates. Behavioral responses. Studies have shown that men exhibit heightened attraction and arousal when presented with visual stimuli containing the color red. Whether in clothing, accessories, or environmental cues, the presence of red appears to enhance female attractiveness and captivate male attention. Cultural symbolism. Furthermore, the allure of the color red extends beyond its biological and psychological effects to encompass cultural symbolism. Red is often associated with love, passion, and seduction, further amplifying its appeal in romantic contexts. Implications for attraction. Understanding the influence of the color red on male perceptions of female attractiveness has practical implications for interpersonal interactions and self-presentation. Individuals may strategically incorporate red into their attire or surroundings to enhance their allure and create a favorable impression. Conclusion. In conclusion, the research on the allure of the color red underscores its potent influence on human attraction, particularly in enhancing female attractiveness to men. Whether rooted in evolutionary instincts, psychological responses, or cultural symbolism, the color red holds a powerful sway over perceptions of desirability and allure, offering intriguing insights into the complex dynamics of human attraction. Number 8. The chemistry of love, understanding the physical manifestations. Falling in love is a profound human experience characterized by intense emotions, heightened physiological responses, and a profound sense of connection. Research published on Science Daily on February 6, 2014, delves into the chemical processes that underlie the euphoric sensations associated with romantic love. Neurochemical release. When individuals fall in love, their brains undergo significant chemical changes that contribute to the euphoric feelings and physical manifestations associated with romance. Neurotransmitters such as dopamine, oxytocin, and serotonin are released in abundance, creating a cascade of pleasurable sensations and emotional highs. Physiological responses. The experience of falling in love is accompanied by a range of physiological responses that are indicative of heightened arousal and emotional intensity. Cheeks flush, palms sweat, and hearts race as the body responds to the surge of neurochemicals associated with romantic attraction. Emotional impact. In addition to the physical manifestations, falling in love profoundly impacts individuals' emotional states, leading to feelings of euphoria, infatuation, and attachment. The intense emotional bond forged between romantic partners fosters a sense of security, intimacy, and belonging. Evolutionary significance. From an evolutionary perspective, the neurochemical processes underlying romantic love serve adaptive functions in promoting pair bonding, reproductive success, and the formation of stable social bonds. The intense emotional and physiological responses associated with love may have evolved to ensure the survival and well-being of offspring. Long-term implications. While the initial stages of romantic love are characterized by intense passion and infatuation, the long-term implications of these neurochemical changes are profound. The bond forged between romantic partners lays the foundation for enduring relationships characterized by mutual support, companionship, and shared experiences. Conclusion. In conclusion, the research on the chemistry of love provides valuable insights into the intricate interplay between neurobiology, physiology, and emotion in the experience of romantic attraction. By elucidating the neurochemical processes that underlie the euphoric sensations and physical manifestations of love, this research enhances our understanding of the profound nature of human relationships and the enduring power of romantic love. In conclusion, these studies demonstrate that various factors, including interpersonal communication, genetic traits, age, physical attractiveness, auditory and olfactory senses, and even colors, can significantly influence people's attraction and affection, underscoring the complex nature of human interactions.